Prime Minister Modi conducts aerial survey of Wayanad, likely to visit Army-built Bailey Bridge soon. Over 500 evacuated, 112 dead in Wayanad landslide. Indian Army constructs vital Bailey Bridge in 71 hours. India's defence exports soared by 78% in the first quarter of 2024-25 as compared to the same period last time in fiscal year. Union Cabinet approves PMAYU 2.0 scheme, 1 crore house to be built for the urban poor and middle class families. The Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs (CCEA) has approved 8 projects of Ministry of Railways with a total estimate cost of 24,657 crore rupees.